3. Okay, we have a Doosan 4-axis horizontal machining center model NHP 5000. This machine was new in 2021 and we're gonna run it for you. Okay, the machine has a FANUC 31B control.
Spindle's running at 4,000.
Spindle is running right now at 4,000 RPM. It is super quiet.
That's 6,000.
6,000.
That's
8,000. The machine goes up to 15,000. Might as well go to 10. That's 10,000 RPM. All right. Machine has 19.7 by 19.7 or 500 millimeter pallets. There are 2. You have travel of 28.74 in X, 28.74 in Y, and 34.64 in Z. There's a tool change. We're going to do another. There we go.
Step up and do a pallet change.
We're going to do a pallet change. All right. Now this machine is a full 4-axis also, so that indexing is 0.001 degree. The control has smooth, and what was the other option it had? AICC. Hold on. That's your X. Your Y. And your Z. You also have B. That's your B. Okay, I'm going to walk over here so you can see the other. Can we open the doors up? That's your other pallet over here, which you saw index. Let's open this door too. Super clean, like brand new in here. Your hours. Under 300 cut hours. Okay, I'm going to walk you around back. Those are your chip conveyor, your coolant pump. You have coolant through the spindle. Sean, can we open the thing for the tool changer? Shine a light in there if you could. Tool changer, 60 tools, super clean. Okay. Keep going this way. Chiller. Okay. Oh, serial number. Let me do that. Sean, where's the serial number in this thing? Right over here. Serial number MH0029-000525. Hey, thank you for watching our video.